Hello YouTube, this is about how to install a Koyorad radiator in your RX7 FD. First you want to remove your airbox, intercooler, and your battery. Next is the hoses. Remove this relay box, and you have to bend these AC lines a little bit up so you could take this plastic ducting out. Next, you'd want to remove the nuts on both sides of the radiator so you can shimmy it up and take it out. After that, you want to go underneath the car, and those radiator brackets, those lower radiator brackets, you have to bend it out just a little bit so to accommodate the bigger radiator size. I didn't mention, you also have to take this support beam out. See this that bracket right there. Now for the modifications, you'd have to get this AC bracket and flip it. I know on most forums they said to flip the radiator brackets, but that's incorrect. For some people, they didn't have to modify this at all, but I had to drill it a few millimeters to reach that stud right there. And that's about it. Yep, simple and easy. Good day.